And starting to snow up here. They're saying we could get 1 to 6 inches. And this is Friday. This thing probably won't go on until next Friday. But it's beautiful up here. Getting one of these valleys up here, you better have a 4-wheel drive to get out. Pretty dang cool. Oh yeah, you can't even see the tops of the mountain up there. It's coming down so hard. And yep, it's beautiful up here. Sure enough. Okay, what we got a floor heater and a boiler system, and we're just bleeding it off. Had a little bit of air get into it. We had to replace a pump. I'm gonna go over all that with you here in just a few, and so I'm letting it run in each zone. I've got 3 zones here. All right, what we got? We have I built that box, and it's got remote sensors and the thermostats, and so we got 3 zones, and we got 3 pumps, and this is what goes down in the floor. You got an in and out, and so zone 3 comes on, goes to a kicker pump. Zone 2 goes on, goes to a kicker pump. Zone 1 comes on and goes to a kicker pump. And you can see we have shut-offs and bleeders and stuff everywhere. And it works out pretty dang good. Keeps the concrete up here in the Smokies. This thing's up in the Smoky Mountains, and it gets a little colder than normal, pretty high elevations, and so it's 95 degrees the floor. Um, Though that's what's radiating out of them, it don't keep them at 95. But the homeowner says this is one of the best things that he put in this house, and this is a killer house. Um, it's pretty sweet. Pretty sweet. So what happens is you got glycanol that goes through the system. It goes through a couple mixer valves right here. This is a check valve. And so what happens is the thermostats come on and it don't actually do the boiler. The thermostats do the flow switch. So all the thermostats do is turns the pumps on. I'll cut them off there. And so like when this comes on, that's zone 3. Zone 3 lights up. Then zone 3 over there, you got to call for heat. And then it has the kicker motor right here to help push it. It goes up through the boiler. And then all the thermostats do is turn on the motors. It doesn't do anything with the boiler. So what happens is the boiler is turned on by the flow switch. You got this little flow switch in here. And that's her. Yeah, pretty freaking cool. It's pretty cool. Pretty high-tech little system. Kinda expensive to build. But very economical to run. And it's even so when I cut the pumps off, we tripped out here.